Welcome to lesson 1 of our English learning series. In this video, we'll start from the very beginning, the English alphabet. You will learn the letters, their correct pronunciation in American English, and simple example words. By the end of this lesson, we will be able to pronounce all 26 letters confidently. Let's get started. Section 1, A to Z letters and pronunciation. A for apple. Repeat after me. A for apple. B for ball. Repeat after me. B for ball. C for cat. Repeat after me. C for cat. D for dog. Repeat after me. D for dog. A for elephant. Repeat after me. A for elephant. F for fish. Repeat after me. F for fish. G for grapes. Repeat after me. G for grapes. H for hat. Repeat after me. H for hat. A for ice cream. A for ice cream. Repeat after me. A for ice cream. J for juice. Repeat after me. J for juice. K for kite. Repeat after me. K for kite. L for lion. Repeat after me. L for lion. M for mango. Repeat after me. M for mango. N for nose. Repeat after me. N for nose. O for orange. Repeat after me. O for orange. P for pen. Repeat after me. P for pen. Q for queen. Repeat after me. Q for queen. R for rainbow. Repeat after me. R for rainbow. S for sun. Repeat after me. S for sun. T for tree. Repeat after me. T for tree. U for umbrella. Repeat after me. U for umbrella. V for van. Repeat after me. V for van. W water. Repeat after me. W for water. X for X-ray. Repeat after me. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Repeat after me. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. Repeat after me. Z for zebra. First, practice alphabet song style. Great job. Now, let's say all the letters a little faster, like a song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Section 3. Mini quiz. Quiz example question. Let's check what you learn with a short quiz. Which letter comes after D? It's E. What is the pronunciation of G? J. Which letter makes the sound Y? Y. What letter comes before K? J. Excellent work. Random letter practice. Now I will show you some random letters. Say the letter name when you see it. Show letter 2 second pause. Say the answer. Example, what letter in this? Fantastic job! Today you learned the English alphabet from A to J, practice pronunciation, and completed a mini quiz. This is your first step towards learning English. In the next lesson, we will learn basic vocabulary and daily words. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.